In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new page to a Weebly website. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's jump right in. The first thing you need to do is log in to your Weebly account. So head over to weebly.com in your web browser. Once you're on the site, look for the option to sign in. You'll need to enter your email and password associated with your account. This should take just a moment, so let's get that done. Now that you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. Here you'll see a list of all the websites you've created. Find the website you want to modify. When you've located it, simply click on the Edit Site button. This action will take you into the editor where all the magic happens. Once you're inside the editor, the next step is to navigate to the Pages tab. You'll see this in the menu on the left-hand side of your screen. Go ahead and click on that. The Pages tab is where you can manage all the pages on your website, whether you want to add a new page, edit an existing one, or rearrange the order of your pages. All right, we're almost there. To add a new page, look towards the top of the Pages panel. You will see a plus sign icon, which looks like this, plus. Click on that icon to begin creating your new page. Now, a drop-down menu will appear with different options. For most cases, you'll want to select Standard Page. This type of page is a great choice for typical content like new articles, about sections, or contact information. Once you select it, you'll proceed to the next step. Here comes the fun part. You'll be prompted to enter a name for your new page. Think about what you want the page to focus on and type that in the text box. This name will be seen by your visitors, so make sure it's clear and relevant. After you've typed in the name, simply click the Done button to finalize the creation of your new page. And there you go. Your new page is now set up and ready for you to start adding content. You can click on it in the Pages panel to enter the page and add text, images, or any other elements that fit your needs. Don't forget to save your changes regularly as you work to avoid losing anything. To wrap things up, we've just gone through the steps needed to add a new page to your Weebly website. It's from logging in to naming your new page. You now have the tools to expand your online presence by adding all the information your audience needs. If you run into any issues or have questions about specific features in Weebly, don't hesitate to reach out. I hope you found this video helpful. Please consider subscribing and liking the video for more tips and tricks like this. Thanks.